How's it going? How's the life going on? Guys, kung hindi nyo makayanan ng problema nyo, may mga panali ako dito. Which, so strong. I mean, panali for your dog, di ba? Pag may problema kayo sa mga dog nyo, di ba? Tali-tali na lang pag may time, okay? Pag nagutom, meron naman silang food. This one, what for shoes? Akala ko sombrero to nung una eh. Pang ano pala yung sa dito. Dito ba? Oh. Still have durian here. Alright, I have some food. Kinds of food, mini kinds of food, no? I have a pussycat. Oh, yung mga pinakamurang-murang rice. I have a dog rice. Alright. Alright. Vitamins, conditioning to maintain the warmer. Vitamins as well. Milk for the goat and the dog and pussycat. Okay. There you go. The vitamins as well. Ano yung mga panabong dyan? Ito na si Rachel. Here we go. Yung gutumin namang manok nyo kasi pag lumaki yan, gawin natin. Kakainin naman natin yan, di ba? Gawin natin tinola. So I have a sleeper, lower price and then expensive price. Towel as well. Towel beach. I have a customer. Wait. So may isda. Naka-ready na si 3 kilo. Lagay lang natin siya. Ito 2. Tapos isa. Parang 99 agad. Muchas gracias. Okay. Going back. Oh. Here we go. Ding. 35. I don't know. Where na yun? Is yours. 32. I have bigas as well. Look. Kasing puti ng aking budhe. Walang halo yan ha. Kasing bango ng aking kili-kili. Diba? Daming option here. Ito 35. Ano ba yan? Daming etc. Daming klaseng food na nito. Pate, enerto, etc. Here we go. Kaya panlinis pala ng CR. I have it here. Then, still there. Siyempre, andito ako. Never mind na. Ciao.